How do you write down the number of atoms in a single grain of sand, or the distance to the nearest star without getting lost in a sea of zeros? Mathematicians have an elegant solution: indices and scientific notation. First, an index, also called an exponent or a power, is just shorthand for repeated multiplication. For example, 2 to the power of 5 isn't 2 times 5, it's 2 multiplied by itself 5 times, which equals 32. This simple concept comes with powerful shortcuts called index laws. When you multiply terms with the same base, you just add the indices. Think x squared times x cubed. You add 2 and 3 to get x to the power of 5. When you divide, you subtract the indices. The crucial rule: the bases must be identical. You can't simplify x squared times y cubed this way. Now for a fun one. What's any number except 0 raised to the power of 0? The answer is always 1. It seems strange, but it makes perfect sense. A number divided by itself is 1. Using the division law, x cubed divided by x cubed is x to the power of 3 minus 3, which is x to the power of 0. So x to the 0 must equal 1. This is where these tools truly shine. Scientific notation uses powers of 10 to tame massive and microscopic numbers. The moon is about 384,000 kilometers away. We write that as 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5. The 5 tells you we move the decimal 5 places. A positive exponent means a big number. A negative one means a tiny fraction. So these aren't just abstract rules for a math test. They are the language scientists use to describe the universe. From mapping the cosmos to engineering at the nanoscale, mastering them means you can speak that language too.